Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. Welcome back to our ATT RealTime Delivery Tracker series. We're excited to introduce version 1.2, packed with new features and enhancements, to make your delivery management even more efficient. If you haven't watched our previous videos, we recommend starting with those to get a complete understanding of the app's setup. You can find the links to the previous videos in the description below, or click on the card above. Let's dive into the new features and enhancements in version 1.2. In version 1.2, we added a dashboard. First, we have the map view. The map view is created previously. You may refer to our last video for further detail. Next, the monthly average dispatch time chart. A histogram showing the average time it takes to dispatch orders each month, helping you see how quickly orders are being processed. Next, monthly average delivered time. A histogram displaying the average time it takes to deliver orders each month. This helps you understand how long deliveries are taking over time. Next, monthly order creation summary. A pie chart showing the number of orders created each month, giving you a clear picture of your order volume, and how it changes month by month. The three charts are only visible to admins, ensuring that sensitive performance metrics are kept secure, and only accessible to authorized personnel. Next, in the driver view list, we've added new columns to track driver performance. Total delivery, average delivery time, slowest delivery time, and fastest delivery time. These metrics help you monitor and compare the performance of your drivers. Let's walk through the step-by-step setup for these enhancements. Add 3 new columns in the order master table. Next, we add 7 virtual columns to the order master table. Set the virtual column as shown. Next, in the driver table, we add 4 virtual columns. Set the virtual column as shown. Now, we set up actions and bots to update the dispatch date time and deliver date time columns automatically when the order status changes. Set the action as shown. Set the bot as shown. Next, create 3 slices for the chart. Set the slice as shown. Finally, we configure the UX by adding the dashboard view and chart views. Set the view as shown. Lastly, we set up format rules to visually distinguish different statuses and important data points in the app. Set the format rules as shown. That concludes our overview of the enhancements in version 1.2 of the ATT RealTime Delivery Tracker app. These new features make it easier to track and analyze delivery times and monitor driver performance. If you have any new ideas or suggestions for the app, please leave a comment in the comments section below. We're continuously upgrading the app, and we'll be adding more exciting features in the future. If you found this video helpful, please give us a super thanks, and consider joining our membership for exclusive access to all our videos. Non-members can still enjoy our content, with new videos released every Friday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into more advanced features. Bye.